I'm Brad, and I've been a tour guide for nearly 10 years. It's been my pleasure to show the best that my country has to offer to the hundreds of guests I've hosted over the years. Now you get to be my guest as I take you on an eco tour of paradise.
Hey guys, what's up? Back for another exciting episode of Brad's Bahama Eco Trip. And we're on the west side of the island, exploring some of the ecosystems and just getting an understanding on the detail of each one of these vegetations and how they would correlate with the overall environment and the animals associated with it. So let's get to it. So guys, right here, what we have is the cornucopia of aliphatic vegetation that you can find in areas next to the sea. Now we're in the western end of the island, and as you can see, the red mangrove, the rhizophora mango, traditionally shooting its aerial roots or prop roots down into the soil, and we transition right over here to bay marigold and a buttonwood just over there, and then right over here to the Abyssinia germinans or the black mangrove. And if you come a little closer, you can notice the crystallization of the salt when the sea spray gets in this area. The tree has to naturally get rid of the salt that's in the soil and around it, and the crystallized salt can be used. Now we have more red mangrove, and then just over here we have the Casuarina equisitifolia, or the red Australian cedar. So all of these salt-tolerant trees can thrive in environments like this, and you'll find little animals. I see a spider web just over there. It belongs to the crab spider, otherwise known as the Gastrocantha canciformis, and these spiders will catch bugs in the area and so forth. Just one of the few types of arachnids that we can find on the island of Grand Bahama and in the rest of the Bahamas. Now, we've mentioned before the medicinal properties of these plants in previous videos, and it's just very thought-provoking how the vegetation has the ability to adapt not only to these environments, but complement each other and work symbiotically with animals that live in the environment. Just down here we have a crab, and there are 4,500 plus species of crabs, 850 that are basically belonging to a category of freshwater slash brackish slash land crabs, and a few of them we have mentioned, such as the hermit crab, the Purgarius bernhardus, and the quadratus species. Those are land-based crab. Okay, so right next to Casuarina trees, you have smaller types of vegetation like sea blight and saltwort, bay marigold. These are vegetations that'll grow thick within the marsh, very salt tolerant, very succulent, retaining a lot of water. They do have medicinal applications as well, some being used to treat asthma, things like dysentery and so forth, but they're also very important food source for crabs and birds, the blossoms that they produce and the seeds and so forth. So they are helping the wildlife and the environment, as well as having applications for us as far as the edible nature. The saltwort can be boiled down and used to sort of make a pot saltier, a natural seasoning, so to speak. Love vine, prominently displayed, so not just in the pine forest, you can also find these in areas that are relatively halophytic. Love vine, also known as the Cascata reflexa, has a very clingy nature. It's a parasite and attaches itself to host plants, drawing sustenance, leaving the tree enough sustenance to be able to maintain itself, but drawing what it needs to survive. and it has medicinal applications for strong back. It's also an aphrodisiac. So love vine is named because of its clingy nature, but also, I suppose, due to the fact that it serves as a virility tool.
I'm glad I got to share this part of my home with you. If you've enjoyed the tour, be sure to click the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Maybe I'll see you on our shore soon.